Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video real quick. So I'm replacing the cab mount bushings, or the mounts, on my F550 6.7 liter. They're completely destroyed. They're just falling apart. I've seen other people having the same issue, and instead of making a 10-minute long video, I'm just gonna tell you how to do it real quick. So got my jack, I got my old bushings here, got a couple tools. This is obviously not your typical F550, but it's pretty much the same. It's a single cab. So you got the 3 bushings. I got one here, here, and then the one up there. I've already got this side swapped out. It's not torqued yet. I have not tightened up the bolts. So just also a pointer, these are Ford mounts, so just to keep an eye out. These front ones, they're labeled. These middle ones say blue on them, the front ones say black. That's why that one's black. These up here in the middle have a blue line on them, and they also say blue. So when I got these, that one doesn't have any lines on it at all. It's just a normal color. But whenever I first got these, I was a little confused which one goes where. He gave me a breakdown of which one goes where, but of course, being at Ford, it's kind of the numbers don't line up just right. So I had to pull it apart just to look at it. This one right here is my main problem. This thing is freaking destroyed. Let's see if it focuses in right there. But my whole cab is bouncing around and rattling, and it's just terrible. So what I did was watched a couple of different videos, but you know, I noticed that while I was doing it, it was easier to actually loosen the bolts instead of doing one at a time and jacking the crap out of your truck. If you loosen the bolts, the whole side of the cab will move a little bit easier, and you're not, you know, putting things in a bind. You know, whenever I was lifting this, the back was getting squished to hell, which, you know, it's a brand new bush and it's fine. It went back into position. But if I would have just left that in but loose, it would have moved a lot easier for me, and the jack wouldn't have been working so hard. But I got my jack, got my piece of wood. What I did was lifted that up, did both of these at the same time actually. So I just pulled the bolts out, lifted it, swapped them out, put them back up. Right now they're in, but they're not tight, so I can do the other side real quick. And then you know, once I'm got them all changed out, I'll be able to go around and tighten everything up to spec. And then of course these are the Ford part numbers. This is for the middle top, middle bottom. This is the rear top, rear bottom. Let's see if we can get that all the way. But yeah, some of these numbers and letters didn't quite line up exactly with the schematic that the guy at Ford gave me. So, but I realized that one's no color, this one's blue, and these over here are black as far as the mount. And then this one has a black line on it, so that goes to there. These aren't super bad, but they're definitely bad. They're falling apart, you know. But I didn't want to make it a super long video, but that's pretty much how I'm doing it. I got my 15 millimeter on a big socket because you got to reach up in there. The hardest part is getting this little shoulder popped out of these little grooves in here. There's some grooves in there that are holding it on, so he's got to pop it off, and it's not too bad. But this jack's working better than this jack, just a heads up. But hopefully that helps you a little bit, and leave a comment. See you.